Kokoríòkò, Patakin. Kokoríòkò was the son of the king, but he was very reckless, to the point of being hated by everyone. His father was deeply saddened by the discontent of his subjects, and during a council meeting, decided to grant the crown to whoever could hunt an elephant. That day, Kokoríòkò looked at himself, and realizing that he didn't have the animals needed for the cleansing, entered a courtyard, took them, and performed the ebo. Shortly after, he saw an elephant, and with the arrows that remained from the ebo, he shot at it and killed it. It happened that a nobleman from the kingdom found the elephant, removed the arrow, and presented himself at court with the weapon, claiming that he had killed it and knew where the body was. Everyone went to see it, and as the preparations for the coronation celebration began, Òrúnmìlà told Kokoríòkò what had happened. Immediately, Kokoríòkò went to claim his rights, but people dismissed it as one of his many foolish antics, which they were already accustomed to. However, Kokoríòkò insisted so much that the kingdom's advisors decided on the following. They presented him with thousands of arrows and asked him to identify his own. The test turned out in Kokoríòkò's favor. Then they demanded that he provide another arrow identical to the one in question, and he did so as well. Thus, he was proclaimed king, both by his luck and by his rightful inheritance.